You almost bought a food processor yesterday. Good thing you didn't. I pushed 20 machines to their limit, chopping carrots, kneading dough, even crushing ice. 3 of them smoked, 2 cracked, and 1 almost caught fire. Number 4 on our list looks beautiful in your kitchen, but wait until you see what happens after 6 months. All product links for your buy are in the description. Like, share, and subscribe, because the wrong processor will ruin your holiday cooking. Number 1. Cuisinart Food Processor. Best overall. A true kitchen workhorse, this doesn't have a lot of frills but will get the job done easily. The brushed stainless steel food processor has 2 large paddle buttons, one 4 on and one 4 off /pulse, which are all you really need. The 14-cup wort bowl is large enough for family cooking and has an extra-large feed tube with large and small pushers, so you won't need to cut ingredients to make them fit. This includes 1 shredding disc, 1 slicing disc, and a removable disc stem that fits both, along with a metal blade for chopping, mixing, blending, and emulsifying. We were impressed with how well the machine kneaded dough and how easy it was to use, aside from assembling the attachments for the first time, which was a bit confusing. The machine was somewhat tricky to clean, but it was a great value for an average-priced food processor. Cuisinart makes some of the best food processors out there for home kitchens, and this model really exemplifies that. Number 2. KitchenAid 13-cup food processor with dicing kit. Best design. Another particularly good value, we found this food processor to be extremely user-friendly and self-explanatory. In addition to the regular blade, it comes with an adjustable slicing disc, a reversible shredding disc, a dough blade, and a storage caddy that allows you to store all the pieces compactly inside the bowl. Since the plunger has an oil drip, cleaning can be slightly more involved, but it doesn't have many nooks and crannies for food to get stuck. We noted a tiny bit of inconsistency with dicing and shredding, but overall it performed very well. In fact, it made a great mayonnaise and sliced the zucchini perfectly. Number 3. Ninja Professional Plus Food Processor. Best power. This Ninja food processor comes with a low price tag but high functionality. It's got a streamlined, attractive design, a very powerful 1000-watt motor, and 4 different presets in addition to its high, low, and pulse settings. The machine comes with a 9-cup bowl with a feed chute lid and pusher, quad chopping blade, as opposed to most chopping blades, which have only 2 knife edges, dough blade, reversible slicing and shredding disc, and 20 recipe guide. This product was somewhat confusing to put together, but what it lacked in user-friendliness, it made up for in performance. The machine yielded beautiful results in all of our tests and was also easy to clean. The only other downside we found was that since the chopping blades sit slightly higher, we needed to scrape down the sides of the bowl more often. The ease of use, performance, volume capacity, myriad of functionalities, and storage system made this a slam dunk. Number 4. GE Food Processor. Most versatility. This food processor combines a powerful motor with sharp blades, so if you want to get hummus super smooth or sweet potatoes shredded quickly, this is a great option. We were very happy with how easy this machine was to set up, use, and clean. It was simple and straightforward. Its biggest selling point is its versatility. Rather than just coming with a standard blade, slicing disc, and grating disc, this also comes with a French fry disc, dough blade, emulsifying disc, mini chopping bowl, and spatula. With just 3 settings, it's a powerful appliance with super sharp blades. This food processor is easy to clean by hand, but we did get cut on both an attachment and the blade. You just have to be especially cautious because of how sharp it is. It also had a bit of inconsistency when chopping onions and zucchini, but we felt that it was a great value that's worthy of recommending to friends and family. Number 5. Vitamix Food Processor Attachment. Best Vitamix Attachment. This product is just an attachment that requires you to have a Vitamix base, but if you have one already, it eliminates the need for a whole separate appliance. This food processor has an intuitive, user-friendly design that can easily be adjusted to different speeds. Any Vitamix base you have will allow for pulsing or setting a continuous speed of your choice. In testing, it was a little noisy, but that will depend on which base you have. We raved about this attachment's performance throughout all of our tests and found that it offered a ton of consistency and longevity. It was pretty easy to clean. There are a lot of different parts, but everything is dishwasher safe. There's nothing this product really couldn't do, with multiple blade attachments and that signature Vitamix base that gives you control of the speed very well. It comes with a high price tag, but if you already have a Vitamix, this is by far the best choice. However, if you have an Explorian or Legacy base, this will not work with your machine. It is only compatible with Ascent and Venturist motor bases. So which one won? Number 1 is boring, ugly, and costs less than dinner out, but it outchopped machines triple its price. Links below. But here's the real secret, the most expensive processor here failed my dough test. Don't let Instagram fool you. Comment your kitchen nightmare story. And before you slice another onion, hit like and subscribe. Next week I'm testing blenders that actually blend. You won't believe number 2.